Hello everybody, 2000 trains here, and today we're at Stratford, where I'll be hopping on the dustybin all the way to London Liverpool Street. And thankfully for me, I've got the old school train. Yes! Now you can hear those spankingly British motors sing. So sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. So here I am on this train. There's a 360 bound for Ipswich. You'll be calling at Shenfield, Chelmsford, Hatfield, Perivale, Witham, Marks T, Kelvedon, Witham. No, I say Witham twice. And I don't know, a few other stops, and then Ipswich at some stage. And we finally got a train that's singing elegantly. Past the 50-mile-per-hour mark, as we see the portal of the we see the eastern post. We see a Docklands train coming into Pudding Mill Lane, and we saw the Crossrail portal, the eastern Crossrail portal. We're now going at a rather brisk speed, not too fast, but at such a fast. We're going at a decent speed. A 345 Aventras bound for Shenfield. The only downside of this train is that the lighting is extremely dim, so if you're riding on the train at night and you don't feel safe, I advise you don't go on this train at the night. Okay, we're passing through Bethnal Green, and let me say that sentence I was trying to say. As we have a 317 bound for either Stansted Airport or Cambridge. And with those sets of buildings, we're clearly coming into London Liverpool Street. So as I was saying, because the lighting is dim, if you go on this train, if you face palm, forget what I have to say, because I cannot talk properly at all. Yep, so we're slowing down. Let me try and see if I can talk again properly this time. fact, I'll just say in the description, and I'll conclude the video here. And well, I'll do the conclusion to my speech and conclude the video when the train comes to a halt at London Liverpool Street, as we have a 317 going by. Don't know if it's a pair, and that train is singing good. That train is singing good. So if you like what you've seen today, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification button so you keep up to date with the content that will be uploading in the future. Class 321s, brilliant trains, absolutely brilliant. And we have another train coming. This is a 321 working a service to Southend Victoria, old school. And another old school on the rear. Oh yes. So like I said, 321s are very brilliant trains, as the flange once interrupts me talking. Yep, they're very brilliant trains. They're one with the rails, they don't bounce up all over when they're going at speed. Oh, do shush now, will you? Shush. I can never get a word in it. Are you done? Ah, bugger, I can't even speak at all. Oh boy. Yep, so actually, now that we're in the tunnels, it's not even that dim, it's decent. So sod what I said about them being dim. They actually have pretty good lighting so far. So I'm an idiot again. Just shows how idiotic I am and how limited my knowledge is of the railways. Yep, so as we come into London Liverpool Street, it's time to say goodbye. Peace out guys, and take care. And we're stomping our way into London Liverpool Street. 360 103 is right here, working the service to Clacton-on-Sea. We have one of the London Overground 315s. And we come to a halt. So, peace out guys. Just if you guys are curious, the unit I was on was 321336, and I should skip because I'm going to walk a bit till I get to the front to see what the Renatus unit is. And the Renatus unit is 321307.